Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divided by this one. So we have e to the power of 2x plus 3 minus 1 minus x. So we need to open parentheses and we need to change the sign of 1 minus x into negative number 1 plus x. 2x and x, you got 3x. 3 minus 1, we have number 2. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of e to the power of ax plus b dx, you got about e to the power of ax plus b over a, and then we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.